Welcome to All Auto Parts Group channel, your trusted partner for automotive solutions. Alright Honda enthusiasts, let's dive into the world of used Honda transmissions and discover why they might just be the smart choice for your ride. First up, why choose a used Honda transmission? Well, for starters, it's about saving those hard-earned dollars. New transmissions? They don't come cheap, but a used transmission from a trusted source like All Auto Parts Group offers a wallet-friendly alternative without skimping on quality. Now you might be wondering about reliability. Honda's got a stellar reputation for robust, long-lasting transmissions. And yes, that extends to their used ones too. Each transmission at All Auto Parts Group undergoes meticulous testing to ensure it lives up to the dependable performance Honda is known for. But it's not just about cost and reliability. Variety is key. Whether you're cruising in a Civic, an Accord, or maybe a CR-V, there's a used transmission waiting for you. All Auto Parts Group's extensive selection means you're likely to find the exact fit for your car's needs. So, why trust All Auto Parts Group with your transmission needs? These folks are pros with years of experience in the automotive parts arena. Their expertise ensures that you get a top-notch product tailored for your Honda. And let's talk quality assurance. Every transmission is rigorously inspected and tested against OEM standards. You'll even get a detailed report on its condition and history so you can make an informed choice with absolute confidence. Concerned about what happens after the purchase? Don't be. All Auto Parts Group backs their transmissions with solid warranties and stellar customer support, ensuring you're covered every step of the way. So, how does it work? Simple. You hop onto their user-friendly website, pick the right transmission for your Honda, and they handle the rest, from inspection to delivery. It's seamless, straightforward, and secure. Wrapping up, opting for a used Honda transmission from All Auto Parts Group isn't just a purchase, it's a smart, economical choice backed by quality and reliability. Check out their website elucidautoparts.world or contact us at +1 865 505 0345 and get closer to reviving your Honda with the perfect transmission. Remember, it's not just about driving, it's about driving smart with a trusty Honda transmission. Catch you on the road. Do like and subscribe All Auto Parts Group channel for more tips.